Just got this in. On the right is the chair. I think in the middle is the mat, and on the left is the seat cushion and the wheels. So I'm gonna set up my chair. It's gonna be a black orange look. My wife loves teal and orange, so I'm setting it up so it's pleasing to her eyes as happy wife, happy life. But anyway, I'm gonna set it up, unbox it, and show you how it looks. So I'm looking to replace my current chair. Not because anything's wrong with it, it's just that I owned it for a very long time, and I guess I just wanted a different look. Bought this on Amazon, and I just like the way the chair looks. My wife's color, her favorite color is orange and teal, so I got different accessories for it, like the seating accessory and all that. This is the actual chair. I bought the plastic floor mat. It's an orange and an orange seat cushion and some orange wheels. So I'm hoping this looks nice. Very nice setup. So this is the instruction manuals. Pieces. Wheels, I'm not going to use these. I'm actually going to get purchased Rollerblade wheels. More instructions. I got it in black because I have kids, so I don't think I need to say anymore. Another piece of okay, that's everything in there. This is the actual chair itself. I like the look. Oh great, it has a zipper. So if I ever start, if I ever need to reupholster this, I can do it easily. I like the chair. I got okay reviews. It's supposed to recline back. Okay, and let's open up some of the accessories. This fella, I didn't see this. I don't know what this is. You know, I'll show you in the end everything that comes inside the box. This is the, I forget what you call this, but it goes in the center. floor mat cover for the chair. I have wood floors, so this will help the wheels move more freely. And I don't realize how long I've been at the computer. I'll use this. Fits perfect. And these are the wheels. All of this I got on Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description. Little wrench. Anything else in there? These are the wheels. Nice. I think it's gonna go nice with the black. Very smooth. I love the rollerblade chairs in on the wheels, chairs with wheels. It's much easier, smooth. Okay. This is everything I ordered, unpacked. And I'm having one issue. I'm realizing that these rollerblade wheels that they sent me have the wrong tips. I purchased the ones that have the universal plug-in, these. So these are even too thin, it doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Hopefully I won't have to return them and get another set, but this is the wrong tip. There's no adapter, nothing I can put on it so it can slip in. Just trying to figure out a way, maybe I can take this out and put it on this, but I don't know. Alright, let me see what I can do. But this is everything that came in, and I'll let you know what I end up doing. This is my current setup now. This is my chair. I've used it for years. I've taken the material off, washed it, put it back on, added more cushion to this. It has the rollerblade wheels. I bought this at Best Buy. I think it was $200 or $300. I love this chair. I'm gonna let my son use it at his desk in his room. So let me see how the new look will look. Okay, it took about 5 minutes to put it all together. The wheels, what I did was I put some duct tape, wrapped it around the screw ends and put them on. It's just for looks for now. It seems to be holding, but I'm gonna have them replaced. I'm gonna ask for a refund from Amazon because they sent the wrong ones. But it looks nice, and I think my wife's gonna be very happy with the new look. And no, it doesn't fit on my desk. Okay, I was hoping for that also. So this is my new chair set. Okay, again, the wheels, make sure you get the right ones. I have to have them replaced. I like the orange look. And like I said, I'm gonna have to get the wheels replaced. So don't buy the wheels I purchased. But I'm happy with the chair. It looks nice. I put the orange cushion, so it should be comfortable to sit on for a long period of time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.